Don't get caught up in the soup. Don't get caught up in the gossip, in the lies, in the deceit. Don't get caught up in the arguments or the disagreements that only lead to more disappointment and sadness. Don't get caught up in the webs that others create that will only harm you. Don't be afraid to stand alone when it's time for you to make a decision that only you can make. It's okay to go against the grain sometimes. It's okay to walk the path for you. It's okay to enjoy what's around you, no matter what the season is. It's okay to feel the warmth of the rays shining down on you and be grateful for all the things that you have. It's okay to feel sadness. Sadness can be a part of growth. It's okay to be on this path that's less traveled. It's okay to wonder why, as long as you continue to wonder how. It's okay to remember who you are. Don't eat the soup. Maybe try a salad instead. It's okay to take a path that no one else has taken before, that's unfamiliar to family and friends, and carve your own way. It's okay to be true to yourself no matter what, even if there are consequences. It's okay to stop and smell the roses, to listen to the sound of the ocean crashing against the shore. The salad is much better, I promise. The salad is the beauty that's around you. It's nature. It's a crab crawling across the rocks, and not just any rocks. It's okay to feel and be a little outcast when you remember to follow your own heart. It's okay to give yourself some love, to enjoy a quiet moment, or two, or many. It's okay to just be you.